In the 1820s, British sailors coming to Hawaii noticed there were diamonds on the beach and also on the hillside, and they named that hillside Diamond Hill, which was later renamed to Diamond Head. Figuring that all they had to do was pick up these diamonds and they would be millionaires. A few of them left their ships, bought supplies, and went to work collecting the diamonds. Imagine their surprise when they found out the diamonds were actually calcite crystals and worth absolutely nothing. They waited for the next British ship to come in and signed aboard and left Hawaii. But the name Diamond Head still remains.